learn with Janisha.
Animals of the continents. Asia. Panda. King cobra. Peacock. Monkey. Mandarin duck. Camel. Africa. Zebra. Hippopotamus. Rhinoceros. Aardvark. Giraffe. Lion. North America. Polar bear. Hummingbird. Raccoon. Moose. African husky. Mountain lion. South America. Tapir. Capybara. Scorpion. Anteater. Toucan. Tarantula. Antarctica. Emperor penguin. Leopard seal. Killer whale. Squid. Sea anemone. Starfish. Europe. Fin whale. Walrus. Wild boar. Bear. Grey goose. Arctic wolf. Australia. Kangaroo. Emu. Wombat. Frilled lizard. Dingo. Platypus. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.